Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to learn all the necessary date and time function in Microsoft Excel. So let's start the video. We are having a simple data set that contains date, time and sales made. With the help of this simple data set, we are going to learn all the functions that are necessary. So our first task here is to extract all the years from the date column. You can do this in two ways. First way is by going to this formula tab and click on this date and time option. Come below, you will find this year function. Click on the year function. It will open a dialog box. Here you can simply select this date and it will extract the year out of that date. So see, 4th of December, that is 2020. It has extracted the 2020 year. So simply you can drag for the below. It will extract. So the similar case is for month. So to extract the month, we are going to use the second way, that is function, writing the function. That is equals to and month. Okay. You can simply select that date cell and it will extract the months from the date. That is 12th. That means it's December and it has extracted all of that. Similarly for day is equals to day function. You can simply select that date cell, bracket close and enter. It has extracted the day. From the time column, we just required to extract the hours, minutes and seconds. You can go to date and time option here. It has hours. You can simply select hours. You can simply give this cell address and you can simply click OK. It will extract all the hours from our time. Similarly for minutes is equals to minute, just a second, is equals to minute. Select that time cell. Okay, bracket close. This is 0 minutes. That means it's 12 o'clock. That means 12 and 00 minutes. For second, you can simply is equals to second. Simply select that time cell, bracket close and enter. It will extract all the seconds from a time. Weekday. We have 7 days in a week. That is starting from Monday to Sunday. That is weekday function. You can give this date cell, put a comma and return type. Return type for peoples who are in the corporate world or in day-to-day corporate world, they use Monday as 1 and Sunday as 7. So we will go with this second option. Bracket close and enter. So this is fifth. Fifth means Friday. First for Monday, second for Tuesday, third for Wednesday, fourth for Thursday, and fifth for Friday. Here is sixth. Sixth means it's Saturday. Seventh means it's Sunday. Again, it's four. Four means it's Thursday. Again, week number. In a year, we have 52 weeks. From that 52 weeks, this date falls in which week? We just need to get it. Week num. Week num is a function which will give you the result. Bracket close. Now it is the 49th week of the year. Similarly for C, 2021 January 19. It is the fourth week of the year. It is the 12th week of the year when it comes to March 14. All right. Now three more functions to go. That is now. Now functions will give you the today's date as well as the current time. I am recording this video in 1 o'clock, nearly 1 o'clock. So is equals to now. Simply close the bracket. Don't need to write anything inside it. Click OK. It will give you the date and time. Current date and time. Today is equals to today. Today will give you the date only, not time. It will just give you the date. Yes, the date. Year fraction. Year fraction helps you to differentiate between two dates. Let's learn this. Is equals to year frac. Year frac. It is asking a starting date. So starting date is this date, which is my date of birth, and the end date is today's date. So what is my age till today? And I want it in actual 365 basis. Bracket close and enter. So currently I am 24 years old. I hope you like the video. Thank you.